gonna eat you in a minute. Got you that tickles.
Stop!
Quit the tickles.
You're an evil person. Don't stab me!
Come on. Sarah, this shoulder right here hurts.
Can we just massage this?
I don't know why you don't just scratch it instead of tickling me. Quit.
Why don't we just massage this area down here then?
I would poke you. Ouch.
Hey, don't.
Oh my.
Honey, leave your daddy alone. Let him eat his
You're
supper.
a little ticklish today, Daddy.
Leave daddy alone. Let him eat his supper.
Just massaging his back.